Hi, my name is Peyton, and this is Social Media Marketing Simplified. Social media marketing is vital for business in today's internet-centered world. After watching this video, you should understand why social media marketing is important, have access to useful tools, gain knowledge about analytics, and understand recent trends in marketing and how to use them to your advantage. Social media allows marketers to connect and engage potential customers where they are at. LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and even some of the younger platforms like TikTok. With a strong social media strategy and the ability to create engaging content, marketers can engage their audience. Across different platforms, companies tell their story, why they provide the services they offer, and keep audiences updated with customer and employee stories. Engaging on social media gives brands the opportunity to build trust with potential customers, partners, talent, and employees. Social media is a great way to learn about the problems and interests of people. In turn, being on social media gives brands an opportunity to drive thought leadership by solving problems. If you want to connect and engage with your future customers, you have to be where they are, and that's largely on social media. Now, let's set you up with some terminology you're likely to hear in this field. A/B testing or split testing is one of the basic social media tests to identify what marketing strategy works best for your brand or service. An algorithm is a mathematical system used to solve problems and deliver results. In social media, an algorithm refers to a set of rules that help search engines to rank, filter, and organize search results and advertisements. Marketers are constantly vying to beat social media algorithms to improve their rank in social media ads and content placement. Click-through rate, or CTR, is a very popular social media marketing term which forms part of almost every activity on any social media platform. It is a measure of the percentage of users that click on your post. It's calculated by dividing the number of link clicks by post impressions or the number of views. The higher the CTR score, the better for a business. Impressions are the number of times your content has been shown on the feeds of social media users. A viewer doesn't need to engage with a post in order for it to be counted as an impression. Native advertising on social media is the technique of showing paid content to users in such a way that it looks organic. Examples of native ads are promoted Facebook posts, which appear similar to regular posts in a user's feed. Social media return on investment, or ROI, is a metric to determine the revenue your social media marketing campaign is generating when compared to how much you are spending on the campaign. Targeting is a social media marketing term that refers to how you target a specific audience to display advertisements and posts. Most social advertising platforms allow advertisers to define and identify audiences based on age, location, gender, and other demographics. Your social media target audience consists of people you want to appeal to, which all help develop your brand guidelines. User-generated content, or UGC, is any content in the form of text, videos, images, reviews, etc., created by consumers rather than brands. Marketers are using UGC on their social media accounts and websites as part of their social marketing strategy. Sharing UGC promotes authenticity, builds trust, and drives purchasing decisions from their own audience. A B2B business sells products or services to other businesses, like a consulting firm or business software company. On social media, B2B brands frequently attempt to position themselves as thought leaders in their industries and provide professional advice to their business peers. A B2C business deals directly with consumers, like a hotel or retail store. In social media marketing, B2C companies often focus on creating a community around their brand and providing excellent social customer care. Brand awareness is the level of familiarity consumers have with your brand. It's often considered one of the main goals of social media marketing. Of course, there are many other terms you may hear, but these are a good starting point. Why should you work as a social media marketer or manager? Number 1, flexibility in your day. While there are often hard deadlines, you can usually work around your own schedule while producing content. Number 2, competitive pay. The salaries of social media managers in the United States range from $24,000 to $175,000, with a median salary of $59,000. The middle 57% of social media managers make between $59,000 and $97,000 annually, with the top 86% making about $175,000. This job is not one that requires a formal degree, but rather you're qualified through your certifications. Number 3, opportunities for growth. More and more businesses realize the potential growth of social media can create for them daily. The U.S. government estimates that the job category of advertising, promotions, and marketing managers will grow 10% through 2030, faster than the average of all U.S. jobs. Social media is a segment of this category, but it is likely to be on the high end given the relative decline of print media and rapid rise in digital media. Now you should understand why social media management is growing so rapidly and the basics of how to become a social media manager yourself. Let me introduce you to some useful tools now. There are a plethora of social media management tools available today. Some are meant to help with a wide array of social media management needs. Meanwhile, other tools are meant for specific types of social media management. For example, tools for agencies, or facets of social media management like social listening or analytics. No matter your needs, goals, or industry, there is a social media management tool for you. Social media management tools assist with your social media strategy. Typically, they have scheduling, publishing, collaborating, listening, and/or reporting capabilities. They also often have to have the ability to streamline interactions with followers cross-platform, offer access to all of your social accounts via a single dashboard, and analyze your successes. First, let's look at HubSpot's social media management software. HubSpot monitors all interactions, conversations, and audiences on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn profiles. With HubSpot, you can manage your entire social media strategy from planning to sharing to analysis from a single and central location. You can also use HubSpot's social media management software to turn your content offers into social posts, schedule post weeks in advance, and monitor trending keywords that are relevant to your brand and audience. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media marketing and management tool. It has a dashboard through which you can manage all aspects of your social media strategy. Although there are paid plans with more capabilities, Hootsuite offers a free plan that works well if you're a small business. With the free plan, you can schedule up to 30 social posts in advance. You'll be able to manage 3 different social profiles from your dashboard with Hootsuite's free plan. Lastly, this option works for small businesses because only one person has access to the account. TweetDeck. Although TweetDeck is just for Twitter users, it's a powerful social media management tool if you're on the platform. This free tool allows you to simultaneously manage multiple Twitter profiles via a central dashboard. Schedule tweets ahead, monitor your competition, set alerts for your most important tweets and Twitter activity, and manage your list with ease. You can also customize your timelines as well as view and respond to conversations and tweets in real time via your dashboard. Meta Business Suite. Business Suite helps social media managers create, post, respond, and measure Facebook and Instagram accounts in one place. Unlike Creator Studio, Business Suite also lets you respond to customer reviews, helpful for the moderation and PR side of social media management. Creator Studio. A free social media management tool from Facebook, Creator Studio lets you manage multiple Instagram and Facebook pages and schedule posts from one place. Unlike Business Suite, you can use it to post Instagram stories. Canva. Canva is a free graphic design platform that's great for producing graphics for social media use. A drag-and-drop interface makes customizing thousands of templates simple and easy. Canva's wide array of features allow you to edit photos without extensive photo editing knowledge or experience. These are all the tools that I have used in the past or use today on a daily basis. Many of the industry's trusted professionals use these tools not only to make their jobs easier, but also to make sure that they are creating the most effective content possible. But how do they know their content's effective? Let's talk about analytics. Social media analytics is the process of collecting data from social media networks and gaining insights in order to improve the performance of social media campaigns. Social analytics is the key to ensure high-level performance of your social media campaigns and also to make data-driven decisions. It helps your social media team learn what works and what does not work when it comes to content and strategy. This analysis is based on the level of audience engagement, conversion, and outreach. For example, the number of likes on your post on Facebook defines the level of audience engagement, whereas the number of clicks on a LinkedIn post indicates conversions. Based on the likes and clicks, you can measure the performance of your content and tweak your future content strategy. Similarly, when you analyze your competitors' social networks, it gives you an idea of what content is performing better. Social media analytics is an essential function of marketing that helps marketers track, measure, and analyze the performance of their social campaigns. It helps in aligning the performance of social campaigns with marketing goals and aids in justifying the investments made in these campaigns. The advantages of analytics are powerful and important. Analytics help you understand your audience. Social media is a vast platform that enables audience engagement at multiple levels. Analyzing this not only helps you understand your audience interaction with your brand, but also with your competitors and other peers. This helps you learn about their interests, behaviors, sentiment, and active time slots. Analytics help you choose relevant social media networks and platforms. There are multiple social media networks available for you to choose from based on your domain, product, or service type. But you can't choose without trying out every network. Social media analytics can help you make this choice based on the analysis of your performance on every network. For example, your analytics can help you learn that your audience engagement on Instagram is much higher than that on LinkedIn. With this data-backed insight, you can prioritize your social media strategy and budget accordingly. Analytics helps you enhance content strategy. Social media is all about content. Having a social media content strategy has become a primary task for social media marketers. It's also necessary to ensure that your content drives positive results. Social media analytics plays an important role in measuring the performance of your content. It derives the engagement level on published content that can help you optimize your content strategy based on your audience's behavior. Analytics helps you avoid mistakes that your competitors made. Competitor analysis is a crucial objective of social media analytics. This includes keeping a watch on your competitors' activities and audience reactions to these activities on social networks. Tracking this will not only get you inspiration for your strategy based on their successful campaigns, but also avoid the mistakes made by your competitors in terms of content and strategy. Social media analytics give you insights on the performance of your social campaigns that includes spending on tools, resources, and advertising. These insights can help you modify your social strategy to optimize the ROI on your investments. For example, if your analysis indicates better conversions from a social ad campaign on Instagram on Thanksgiving, you can run more ad campaigns on festive holidays to improve conversion rates. Like any other marketing function, social media marketing needs constant assessment and modification. Use social media analytics as an essential asset to optimize your social media efforts. Our last segment, and possibly the most important, will cover recent and upcoming trends on social media. As a social media manager, it's important to keep up with current trends and forecast future trends in order to reach as many people as possible. Trends are always changing, and these may not be relevant a year from now. Here are some of the current trends on social media. TikTok. TikTok has become a go-to platform for many brands. It stands out among others because of the diverse group of users it has. Every brand can have its own side of TikTok. During the past 2 years, TikTok has also launched a number of useful tools like ads and business profiles aimed specifically at businesses. So it's no longer just a platform where young creators can show off their dance moves. All in all, it's set to become one of the main platforms that brands use to reach millennials and Gen Z. The expansion of social media commerce. Brands have long used social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to sell their products. In 2022, though, the ability to buy products directly via social media will become a norm. Gone are the days that it will be used only by innovative brands. In fact, eMarketer anticipates that the social commerce industry will be worth $80 billion by 2025. From shoppable posts on Instagram storefronts, social networks are continuously evolving to become retail platforms. Brands and marketers will continue to leverage these and incorporate social commerce in their sales strategies in 2022. Influencer marketing will continue to soar. Influencer marketing isn't a new trend, but it's one that's going to stay for a while. Social media today is dominated by influencers who are getting paid a whole lot to promote brands. The adoption of this trend can be seen from both perspectives. Not only is the sheer rise in the number of influencers on social media, but there's also an increase in marketing spend on influencer marketing by businesses. Investing in influencers is much cheaper than running paid ad campaigns, and yet it delivers good results. Moreover, influencers can help marketers achieve a variety of marketing goals and not just generate leads. These are the two main reasons why it's become so popular and is continuously getting stronger and bolder. User-generated content will continue to be popular. Brands leveraging user-generated content is not a new trend, but it is a trend that's still going strong and will continue to do so. The only thing that has changed is the rate of adoption, with more and more marketers utilizing UGC. Some brands, like Daniel Wellington, motivate their customers to create content and tag the brand for a chance to get featured on their page. Some, like Olay or Dove, run relevant marketing campaigns that encourage people to submit their entries to be a part of the campaign. Some brands, like Airbnb, completely rely on user-generated content for their social media content. No matter how you want to leverage UGC, you should have a place for it in your content mix. User-generated content is free and is considered much more authentic than branded content. It can help your brand seem more trustworthy and can do wonders for your image. Well, that's it. Do you think you have what it takes to make it as a social media marketer? Today, I have set you up with knowledge to understand why social media marketing is important, have access to useful tools, gain knowledge about analytics, and understand recent trends in marketing and how to use them to your advantage. This has been fun. I'm Peyton. Thanks for tuning in.